Last year, immigrants left over $3.2 billion just sitting in bank accounts doing nothing. That is an insane amount of money. That's not being safe. You are literally losing money every single day. If you just got here and words like 401k or ETF sound like a secret code, I am about to change your life. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the exact 5-step map I used to turn my first $10,000 in tips into a 6-figure portfolio. And the craziest part, I did it without a finance degree or even a green card. This isn't just about money. It's about winning the financial game in a new country. Let's be real. You are an absolute legend. You conquered borders, crushed insane amounts of paperwork, and worked impossible hours just to be here. You are unstoppable. So why is your money not working as hard as you are? Because Wall Street feels like another impossible immigration interview designed to confuse you. But I'm telling you, every single day you wait to invest, you lose your most powerful weapon: time. Time is the secret ingredient that makes your money explode. Think of it like a tiny snowball. The second you start it rolling, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger until it becomes an unstoppable avalanche of cash. But you have to start rolling it now. I learned this the hard way. I landed in New York and hid my first tips under my mattress. 3 years later, that money had made exactly $0. Meanwhile, the stock market went up 10%. A year, 10%. I literally threw away free money because I was scared and didn't have a plan. That's the insane price of waiting. We're not paying that price. We came too far to let inflation secretly steal our money. We need a plan, and we start right now. I know this seems overwhelming, so I boiled it down to 5 simple, mind-blowing steps. No confusing jargon, just 5 moves. If you copy these 5 steps, I promise you will go from confused to a confident investor faster than it takes to get a passport renewed. This is the system. Step 1. Build your money fortress. Before you buy a single stock, you must build a financial fortress. First, destroy any high-interest debt. Credit card debt at 20% interest is like playing a video game on impossible mode. You will never win. Pay it off now. Second, you need to stack 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. This is your secret weapon, your financial cheat code. If life throws a curveball at you, you won't even flinch. But do not leave this cash in a normal bank that pays you 0.01%. That's a rookie mistake. Find an online bank paying at least 4% or more. It's literally free money just for saving, and it's FDIC insured. This is a non-negotiable first step. Step 2. Get your golden ticket. To invest in the USA, you need one of 2 things: a Social Security number, SSN, or an Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. And here's a secret most people don't know. You can absolutely invest with just an ITIN. The biggest companies, Fidelity, Schwab, Vanguard, will open accounts for you. It might take 1 extra phone call, but it is 100% possible. I'm giving you permission to start. Don't let paperwork stop you from building wealth. And once your account is open, do this one simple trick. Turn on paperless statements. Nobody uses mail anymore. It's safer, more private, and just way easier. Step 3. Pick one all-weather fund. This is where everyone gets stuck. They think they need to find the next Tesla. Forget that. That's how you lose money. Instead, we're going to do something insane. We're going to buy the entire economy. You do this with something crazy called an index fund. It's like buying a giant pizza with thousands of different toppings. You get a tiny piece of Apple, Google, Microsoft, and thousands of other companies in one click. Funds like VTI or FXAIX are amazing for this. The fees are practically zero. This is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it life hack. History shows this simple strategy beats the pros all the time. If you want to be extra safe, put 20% in a bond fund like BND. This stock and bond combo is basically indestructible. It has survived every single market crash since the 1970s. It is your financial superhero suit. Step 4. Put your money on autopilot. This is the most insane hack of them all. Schedule automatic transfers from your bank to your investment account the second you get paid. You pay yourself first. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it turns you into an investing genius without you even trying. When the market is low, your money automatically buys more shares for cheap. When the market is high, it buys less. You're always winning. The math is boring, but the results are ridiculous. If you invest just $200 every 2 weeks at a 10% return, after 15 years you could have over $130,000. I started doing this with just $150 from my waitress tips, and today that one account alone is over $85,000. This is not a joke. It actually works. You don't need to be rich to start, you just have to start. Step 5. Unlock the secret government hacks. Once you hit $25,000 in your investments, it's time to level up and use the government's own cheat codes. A Roth IRA is an absolute game changer. You put in money you've already paid taxes on, and then it grows 100% tax-free forever. And the craziest part for immigrants? You can pull out your original contributions at any time for any reason with no penalty. It's insane flexibility. Next, if your job offers a 401k with a match, you have to take it. It's free money. A 100% return on your money instantly. Not taking the match is like lighting cash on fire. Finally, if anyone depends on your income, get term life insurance. It's super cheap and it protects your family if the unthinkable happens. No GoFundMe needed. You're not just building wealth, you're building a legacy. Now for the 3 traps that will make you go broke. These are designed to crush immigrants, but we're not falling for them. Trap 1. The I might get deported panic. I get it. The fear is real. But this fear is destroying your money. The real enemy isn't deportation, it's inflation. Inflation is deporting your money's value every single day. Keeping all your money in cash is not playing it safe. It's a guaranteed way to lose wealth. Trap 2. Sending every last dollar home. Helping your family is amazing. But on an airplane, they tell you to put your own oxygen mask on first. If you run out of air, you can't help anyone. It's the same with money. If you go broke, you can't help your family. Build your own financial fortress first, and then you can become the bank for your family forever. Trap 3. Falling for guaranteed crypto or Forex scams. This is huge. If someone on WhatsApp DMs you promising a guaranteed 5% return a week or risk-free profits, it is a scam. Block them. Block them immediately. Real investing has risks, and it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a get-rich-for-sure plan if you're patient. Don't let these scammers steal your hard-earned money. Here is the ultimate immigrant investor starter pack. These tools make it easy. Apps like Mint or YNAB are insane for tracking all your money, even if it's in different currencies. You can see everything in one place. It's a game changer for managing money across borders. For investing, M1 Finance is awesome. It lets you build investment pies. It's like creating your own custom fund, and it auto-invests for you. It's powerful and super easy. And here's a huge tip. If you don't speak perfect English, who cares? Giant companies like Vanguard have customer support in Spanish, Mandarin, and French. Call them. Speak to someone in your own language. Don't let a language barrier stop you from getting rich. Finally, when it's tax time, TurboTax is a lifesaver that accepts ITINs. It can also find special treaty benefits so you don't get taxed twice by the US and your home country. This hack could save you thousands. Let's do some insane math. Imagine you're 28 and you just saved your first $5,000. You use it to destroy your credit card debt. Then you commit to investing just $300 a month. That's only $10 a day. You put it in a simple index fund inside a Roth IRA. Based on history, here's what happens. By age 38, your account could be worth $60,000. By age 48, it could be $175,000. And by age 58, that tiny $300 a month could explode into an unbelievable $284,000. Now, what if your job gives you a 3% 401k match? That's free money on top of your own investing. Your total retirement savings could easily blast past $500,000. Think about that. You started with nothing in a new country and retired with more money than most people born here. You can do this just by following these simple steps. This is a real path to wealth, and it's open to you right now. If you're ready to take on this challenge, smash that subscribe button right now and ring the bell, because in next week's video, we're going to explore how you might turn a huge investment into a green card with the EB-5 visa. You do not want to miss that. Building wealth isn't a solo mission. Share this video with a friend and let's all get rich together. Let's answer your questions, lightning fast. Do I need a green card to invest in the US? No. This is a myth. You do not need a green card. You can open a normal investment account with just an ITIN. An SSN just unlocks the tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs. So start with your ITIN today. What if I move back home to my country of origin later? You keep your investments. Your US money doesn't disappear. You can manage your accounts online from anywhere in the world. You'll have to figure out the taxes, but your money is yours. Is investing just $50 a week even worth it? It feels so small. Yes, it's everything. Thinking it's too small is the most dangerous trap. $50 a week could become over $80,000 in 20 years. $80,000. That could be a down payment on a house. The amount doesn't matter. Starting is what matters. This is not another video you just watch. This is your 7-day investing challenge. Are you ready? Tonight, open a high-yield savings account. It takes 15 minutes. Go do it. Move your first $100 in there. This is your first win. Tomorrow, go to the IRS website and figure out how to apply for your ITIN if you don't have an SSN. Stop procrastinating on this. This weekend, dedicate 1 hour to Vanguard's website. Start opening an account. A Roth IRA if you have an SSN, or a regular brokerage account with your ITIN. Just get the process started. Monday, set up that automatic transfer. $25, $50, whatever you can. Set it for your payday and let the machine do the work. This is how you automate your wealth. Next month, tell one friend what you did. Share this video. Challenge them to do it with you. Winners hold other winners accountable. You have already done the hardest thing imaginable. You left home and built a life from nothing in a new country. You're basically a superhero. Investing is the easy part. It's just the next level of the game. I'm giving you the cheat codes. 1. Build your fortress. Nuke your debt. Build your emergency fund. 2. Get your golden ticket. Get your ITIN or SSN and open the account. 3. Buy everything. Get one simple index fund. 4. Go on autopilot. Automate your investments. 5. Protect your future. Use secret tax hacks and get insurance. That's it. If you do that, you will stop chasing money and your money will start working for you. I wasn't special. I just stopped waiting for permission to win. They say the best day to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best day? It's the day you finish watching this video. Start today. 20 years from now, you'll be so glad you clicked buy instead of giving up. See you in the next video. And remember, borders might change, but compound interest is forever.